Hey everyone, my name is Aaron Nace from Phlearn, and I've got some incredible news for you. For years, we've been dedicated to bringing you the absolute best in Photoshop, Lightroom, and photography education. And many of you have been asking for access to even more in-depth content. Well, get ready because we've been listening. We're thrilled to announce that some of our most watched masterclasses are now available on YouTube. This is a massive opportunity to dive deep into comprehensive tutorials, covering everything from essential Photoshop and Lightroom techniques to advanced compositing, retouching, and so much more. Whether you're interested in manual tools or the most recent AI innovations, we've got you covered. You'll learn my top tips and tricks to take your skills to the next level. Each month, you'll get instant access to a brand new masterclass, giving you the chance to expand your knowledge and master new techniques. So if you're ready to expand your skills and elevate your artistry, be sure to join the Phlearn Masterclass membership. This is all about helping you become the best artist you can be, and we are so excited to share with you.